This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs.
Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 82 of Building the Infinity Gauntlet. This is the Ring Finger Part 8. I guessed that there were 9. I think there are actually 10 issues in each finger. So this time we're starting on the outer sort of shell piece, the cover. After looking at the return of Rocket. Did he go away? Oh, it's nice that he comes back. I like Rocket. There we go. Read all about that if you like. Some sort of green glowy dragon thing. Strange. Groot back. Yeah, I am Groot. There we go. So that's that. This is the Ring Finger 8. We have the outer plate to put up on the top joint. There's definitely names for each of the joints. I don't know what it is, but that one. That's what we're putting on the cover, screwing it in place, and a little plug to cover over our screw. Getting there. So we've got 2 more of those to do, and then that's the finger done, basically. Beta Ray Bill. There we go. Thor's Cumry. We read about him last time. In 1983, it's going through a great period. Cool. Yeah, it's strange, but there you go. Why not? Got to mix things up a bit occasionally. Looking at Walter for this one as well. More stuff. Oh, some Star Wars ones. There we go. Right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this first joint covered up. So, not much to do on this. We've got our cover, our little plug, and some screws. We're only going to need 1 screw, but I'll probably use the others for the rest of this build. Probably 1 on each of those. So this is the first piece. It goes on that way up and just sits over there like that. Nice and easy. And the screw goes in there. Holds it together. One screw tightening down. There we go. That covers over. No exposed plastic. A little bit of exposed plastic if you look at it closely on the inside there. But then that just plugs in there and covers over our screw hole. Just like that. There we go. Another issue done. Next time's that, then the time after's that, and then we've got another finger completed. So, thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.